Ate Chu, Daddy?
Dad, ano daw pa birthday niyo?
Anong pa-birthday nyo kay Ate Chu?
Ano daw pa birthday niyo sa... Dukop na!
Anong pa-birthday nyo kay Ate Chu? Daddy kiss is good, but we need cash.
Ayaw!
Wala yung wallet niya sa kanya eh. Nasa yung wallet ko. Wala kay Ate Len.
Bigay mo nga.
Ayun, ayun.
Ayun si Len.
Ayan.
Ayan na. Tapos... 100 pesos eh.
Hindi, naghahanap siya ng maliit na denomination.
Naghahanap ng 20 sila.
Wala. Amri, bless. Dali. Ayan na.
Tsaka si Armand eh.
Dali ka, may birthday ko lang, Dali!
Tinago na. Sabi niya, wala nang laman. Wala nang pang bingo yan. Ate Jonathan.
Wala na siyang
100. Happy birthday. Teka muna, Daddy, bibili ba tayo ng van?
Yeah.
Daddy, bibili ba tayo ng van? 2,000 niya. Bibili tayo ng van? Oo. Paano? Paano
tayo bibili dad? Paano?
Anong color?
Oo, tangin natin.
Black. Cotton camera?
Oo, basta ang kondisyon ni dad, hindi siya makukulong. Di ba dad? Hindi kayo makukulong. Hindi kayo makukulong, di ba? Hindi kayo makukulong.
Bakit?
Sabi niyo utangin niyo eh. Asan pambayad niyo sa utang?
Kasi hindi makukulong, di ba dad? Hindi makukulong, no?
Daddy!
Hindi makukulong.
Daddy! Thank you so much for bringing us.
Yes! Captain!
Names! Names!
Ano lang yan, bigay lang sa'yo, babalik ko mamaya. Kasi pagtingin niya, sabi ka pag lang.
What y'all around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I can't get it in. First, take your sip, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh, we too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Now, watch me break it down like 24 karat, 24 karat magic. What's that sound? 24 karat magic. Come on now. 24 karat, 24 karat magic. Don't fight the feeling, invite the feeling, just put your